Hey guys, I'm Krista and I'm part of the Hilti North America social media team. And today I'm going to be your digital account manager for Hilti Live. We're going to wait just a little bit longer for a couple more people to join. In the meantime, if you have any questions or comments about the application we're going to show you, please feel free to put them in the comment section. We have a team that's going to be answering them during or as soon thereafter. So, without further ado, I would like to jump into the first episode of Hilti Live. Today we're going to be talking about SafeSet and the Rebar Doweling application. I would like to introduce my teammate, Solomon. Hi Solomon, thank you for joining us.
Hi Krista, thank you very much for having me. My name is Solomon Banwal and I'm the product manager for Hilti North America. Today actually I'm very excited to introduce and discuss the new adhesive anchor HY200 V3 with the new SafeSet technology. Now Krista, we just launched this new technology in 2022, this year, and this system is designed to make the anchor installation faster, easier, and safer. We know that the anchor installation is not the easy application when it comes to the job site, and this specific system is designed to make sure that the safety is considered, that you're doing it faster, and when you're installing the anchor, these anchors are designed and the whole system is designed to work in a real job site condition.
Awesome. So when you say it's safer, easier, and faster, do you mean just one piece of the application or the entire application?
Great question. So when we were developing the system, we tried to consider the safety, the efficiency of productivity, and the ease of installation on all the steps in each component of the tools that we are bringing. For instance, if you have to install an anchor, the traditional method, you have to blow the dust. We have the hollow drill bit system. The tool itself, all of them are on a single battery platform, and it's a cordless system, which is amazing. And at the same time, when you're doing the dispensing and injection, all of the smart features are included to make sure that you are fast in installing it and it's safer to do it.
Awesome. So let's jump in and start this application. First step is?
Absolutely. So the first thing we need to start is we need to drill a hole.
Okay.
So let me quickly show you the tool we have in here.
Okay.
So what you have in front of you is the new cordless SafeSet technology that starts with a cordless vacuum, which is VC140. And you can actually carry that on your backpack, and you can move around and you can install in different locations. Then we have the TE60 on a Neuron battery platform, and then we have the HDE 522 smart dispenser. Now remember, all of these are all under the same battery platform. You can literally substitute the batteries and you can keep on going without having any kind of delay on your job site. So let's get ready and drill our first hole.
All right. Ooh.
All right.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready when you are.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Wow, that tool is smooth. I feel like I didn't really have to do any work, and the vibration, like there was none.
Oh, awesome. Oh, absolutely. Let me tell you what that is. So we have actually developed these tools with two additional features, the AVR and ATC. Not only that actually it fits your hand very properly, at the same time, the AVR stands for active vibration control. That's why you didn't feel any vibration. And the ATC is here for your safety, which means that in case if you're drilling and the rebar gets caught in the rebar, you don't have to worry about your arm getting twisted or any kind of injury because the tool will shut off automatically.
Awesome. And that's great for you guys. Okay, so what's next?
Great. So on the next step, we have to inject the proper amount of adhesive anchor into the hole.
Okay.
Now, what you have done in here is you have already drilled the hole, and the next step is to clean the hole, which you have already done it. With the help of that VC140
Right.
and the hollow drill bit, you're 60% ahead of me in the
Yeah.
process. While you can see how much dust it is in here.
Yeah.
So that is actually, in order for me to inject the proper amount into the hole, I still have to clean the hole like it looks like yours.
So if I'm hearing this correctly, this vacuum has enough CFMs to clean it completely, and we don't need to go back and clean with a brush or blow.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
So, however, I'm not gonna blow the dust in here, so this is gonna be not a good place to do that. But let's move to the next step, which is how much epoxy we need to dispense. So before we even start dispensing the epoxy, so I have a manual dispenser.
Okay.
And I'm gonna show you how we have to do it.
Okay.
So I have to read through the instruction for use booklet in order to be able to find out how many trigger pulls I need to be dispensing. So for this specific cartridge size, it tells me you have to do it 3 trigger pulls.
Okay.
So let me go ahead and get the mixing here ready.
I heard a pop. What was that?
So those are the 2 component pops. The foils are breaking. So once I have to break the foil, that's 1 trigger. That's 2 trigger. And that's the 3 line.
Okay.
So that is, I see the color changing. So now I know that actually the mortar is mixed properly.
Awesome.
So I might have actually dispensed a little bit more.
Okay.
However, on your side, you have a very smart tool. Let me show you how you can actually do the discard in your tool.
Okay.
So for this tool is specifically designed to do an automatic discard and take the guesswork out of the way.
Okay.
Which means that we can actually put it in a continuous mode, again, to break the 2 sides of the cartridges and have the mortar move to the nozzle. Once we have it, we can automatically switch it into this arrow. And then in here, the tool will do the job for you. So it will mix the 2 sides of it to the proper amount of ratio that no further step is needed. And you know exactly you don't have to dispense extra or waste any mortar.
So we don't have to do the 3 pumps every time with this. This tool knows exactly how much to dispense to get it mixed.
Absolutely. Because if my cartridge size changes, also those trigger port changes. But you don't have to worry. The tool automatically does it for you.
Awesome. And then how do we know how much epoxy to insert on our hole?
A great question. So for that specific step, we actually have introduced and developed an application on the phone. So if you have a phone with you, all you have to do is you open up the app called Adhesive Volume Calculator app on the App Store. For instance, today we are installing the anchors and the rebars in a concrete base material. We are using HY200V3. We are using a rebar number 5, and our embedment depth is set at 3.5 inches. Once we have that information inserted, it will tell us what is the proper size for the drill bit. And we have the 3/4. It asks us choose what kind of dispenser are you using, because that changes the amount that you also need for estimation.
Okay.
So for this instance, I'm going to choose the smart dispenser, and here you can see clearly that it will tell you and shows you exactly where dial needs to be set at.
Wow, that's super easy, super user friendly. So I will just need to go to 2 and then dispense, and we're set to go.
Absolutely.
Okay.
That's right.
Cool.
All right, let's see it.
Let's mix it first. So I want to go to continuous,
Absolutely. Yep.
or continuous.
And bring the epoxy into the nozzle. That's
Oh,
perfect.
there we go. Okay, so you can kind of see it coming out here. And then we're going to go to the arrow for the dispense. So this is mixing it so it's ready to go.
Awesome. Look, that looks very good color mix.
Okay,
ratio.
perfect. And now we're going to go to 2 to insert the epoxy. And you can see here that it turned green and that we did it right. Okay.
All right, let's see.
So-
Did you inject enough epoxy?
All right, let's check it out. Let's see if we did.
Perfect.
Awesome.
How
That
did-
was really easy.
So how did it feel installing a Rebar today?
Feel like I'm a pro. Feel like I'm like one of you guys.
Awesome. Yes, so I still needed a lot of steps, so I did not want to install an anchor in a dirty hole, as you can see in here.
Yeah.
And yes, I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time, Saul. I learned so much today. I hope you guys did as well. If you guys have any questions, please visit us at hilti.com/safeset. And if you want to rewatch or if you want to share, this will be posted on our YouTube channel and it will be live on our Facebook and Instagram. Thank you guys for joining, and we'll see you next time. See you guys.